Hi, welcome back to the pharmacy, where we talk about using nature's pharmacy instead of big pharma. Today we're going to be talking about 10 of the top herbs that I love to use for inflammation. First, if you're interested in hearing more about health and healing through herbal remedies and natural lifestyle changes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ding that little bell, leave a comment, and let's dive into today's topic. All right, our first herb is turmeric. Turmeric is one of the strongest anti-inflammatory herbs that there are out there. This is why it's number one on my list. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps with any inflammatory cytokines, which is in our cells. And it also helps with any of our gut issues, joints, think of anything achy, pain, things like that. Now, the best way to take this is internally, and you want to take it because it's fat soluble with some sort of fat, like coconut oil or avocado or any nuts, or eat it with a meal that is high in fats, not saturated fats, but just higher in fats. And you could also take it with black pepper to help with the absorption of the active ingredient curcumin. All right, number two is ginger root. Ginger is awesome for reducing pain, swelling, and inflammation. It's also really good for digestive disorders, if you have nausea or if you're having some sort of cramps in your stomach due to diarrhea, or also for PMS cramps as well. The ways that you can take ginger is just by simply eating it, put it into a smoothie or in some soups. You can also take it in capsule form or tea form, and it also can be used externally as like a compress. So if you have like a sore muscle or something, you can do a compress with some ginger, and you can also add some turmeric as well. Number three, boswellia, aka frankincense. Boswellia is really effective for people who have arthritis or any joint pain. It's also been shown to be beneficial for those who have an autoimmune disease that has a lot of inflammation with it. Now, you can take this in a capsule form, you can use the resin, or you can also use it as a tincture. I've read studies where boswellia also is just as effective as NSAIDs, but minus the gut issues. Number four, holy basil, also known as tulsi. Holy basil helps to reduce any stressful inflammatory responses that your body is going through. Not only that, it also helps to balance out your hormones, and also beneficial for those who are joining their menstrual cycle to help balance out their hormones and the pain that can be associated with that. Now, you can take this in a tea, tincture, capsule, however you like. I usually take it at the start of my menstrual cycle, and I also take it like before bedtime, especially if I've been working outside or going to the gym. I don't go to the gym that often, but if I've been working out and I know I'm going to be sore, I will take it before bed. It also has been shown to be beneficial for those who have chronic stress and adrenal fatigue. Number five is green tea. Green tea has been used for centuries to lower systemic inflammation in our body. It boosts our metabolism, and it also helps to detoxify our liver. And it's great for protecting your cells. So get as much green tea as you can, and it will not give you like that caffeine jittery high, but it will help to give you a little bit of energy. Now, you can take this in capsules, tea, or tincture. The best kind to get would be the matcha green tea. Matcha has been used for centuries for helping to heal all kinds of issues, gut issues, anxiety issues, skin issues. It is a really, really great green tea, so I would try matcha. Number six, rosemary. She helps to support your brain, your cognition, your overthinking. She brings circulation to your skull. She helps with your digestion, any other gut inflammation that you may have, and she's really, really great for your joints. Now, you can cook with her, you can put her in teas, you can rub her on your scalp to help with hair regrowth and bring circulation to your hair. You can do tinctures or essential oils. Do not take the essential oils internally. You can diffuse them into the air, and it helps with your mind, your thinking, racing thoughts. Number seven, white willow bark. White willow bark is actually an alternative to aspirin. In fact, the components within the white willow bark, the salicylic acid, was actually the first step into making aspirin. White willow bark helps relieve pain, fevers, inflammation. It can be taken in teas, capsules, or even a tincture. However, because it is found in aspirin, if you're allergic to aspirin, you don't want to take white willow bark because you may have the same side effects. Number 8, devil's claw. Now the devil actually has nothing to do with this herb, but it is beneficial. Devil's claw is actually really good for chronic inflammation in your body, arthritis, and muscular pain. It's been especially helpful for helping those who are suffering from lower back pain. So if you have lower back pain, you might want to give devil's claw a try. Number 9, calendula. Now, calendula has been used for a variety of different things, from internal to external, any like psoriasis on the outside, acne, gut issues, any ulcers. It supports wound healing, insect bites. It is just awesome for decreasing pain and inflammation in the body. And what I love about calendula, it's actually helpful for children as well. So it's safe to use with your kiddos. You can do teas, tinctures, salves, compresses. The benefits are going to be in the flowers. And you can actually harvest the flowers as long as you keep popping those flowers off, decapitating them. It'll last you from spring all the way in through winter. Number 10, milk thistle. Not only does milk thistle help with inflammation and pain in your body, but it also actually helps with your liver detoxification. It reduces oxidative stress in your body, and it lowers all the systemic inflammation that you may have. So this would be ideal for somebody who has got chronic inflammation, that has been suffering for a long time with any pain and inflammation. So you want to take this daily in tea or capsule form. Another reason why I really like milk thistle is it helps with any hormone imbalances that you have, and it helps to detoxify all the toxins that are built up into your liver. So that's why it's really, really great for your liver. All right, there's my top 10 favorite anti-inflammatory herbs. If you found this video helpful and useful, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.